Now you can solve all your health problems with weed. Ask your doctor about weed today. Side effects may include the munchies, red eyes, happiness, relaxation, and increased sex drive. Ask your doctor if weed is right for you.
Hey doc, is weed right for me?
Do you have to drink a lot of beer to get a buzz?
Yeah.
Now beer comes in a pill. Try the all-new extra strength beer. Use only as directed. I said use only as directed.
This product may be addictive. You ready to see the tree? Check it out.
Very funny, bud. Very funny.
Oh.
This guy. Sheesh. Look at him. Christmas lights wrapped all around my head. What in the world? Oh, wait a minute. They're blinking. They're blinking. Bud, they're blinking.
They do that, Nugget. They're blinky lights. Oh.
Oh, I thought something was wrong.
I got something for you. Oh yeah, man. You ready? Check this out. Yeah. Oh yeah. I got crazy straws. 'Cause you wanna get crazy. And I got these little fellas. They got a little scoop on the end of them. 'Cause you wanna eat a slushie or something like that. Oh, here comes the cops. Act natural, man, act natural. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
It's the cops. We know you're in there. Come out with your hands up.
It's the cops. Hide your stash. Run.
Oh. We've got a big problem. I just woke up and the nugget is gone. I don't know where it's at. I checked all over the floor. It's not under the bed. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Hello? Hello?
Hey, man. Sorry I had to go. I've been holding it in for a few days. I wouldn't go in there for a while.
I'm
Nugget. Nice to meet you.
Little seed grow for me. I'll give you all you need. Water, soil, and sunshine. I will be your friend. You will be mine. It will be sublime. You grow big and strong. Help me fill my ball. Blow smoke into the sky. Little tree, grow for me. You'll be all I need. We will get so high, 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 high. Oh. Come along and join the Space Force. Maybe we could ride on the Space Horse and kiss your friends goodbye. You'll probably die in the Space Force. Yeah, Space Force. Sign up today. Sail across the Milky Way. Just stepped on Mars, candy bar. There will be no almond joy. I'ma let you not in Space Force. Yeah, Space Force.
Some other things I like to do to relax is dance. Do you like to dance? I like to get down and boogie. Have a great time. Oh yeah, really jamming now, cooking. Oh yeah. Swinging, happening. Oh yeah.
I'm the master of disguise. I can vanish from your eyes. I can be in different places with my many funny faces in disguise. Sometimes it's so nifty when I'm really shifty in disguise. It's disguise time. so easy to deceive you with the sneaky little tricks and to make you believe it's character that I pick. Hey, when you look for me, I'm gone in front of your eyes. People call me the master of disguise.
At Heister Automotive Group, we love and inspire our employees to build relationships to last forever.
I say we should be running on loyalty and integrity.
Ron, really? I'd like to see that.
Hey, no puppet jokes.
I will concede. At Heister Automotive, we do like to have fun.
Obviously.
But when it comes to our customers,
we get down to business.
I guess we can both run on that. So for all your automotive needs, get off your keister
and come to Heister.
John Heister Chevrolet in Fuquay. Find new roads.
Have you been injured in an accident?
Who, me? Nah, dude.
How about now?
What do you think?
These are better days.
So we're watching the game.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? We got food, we got drink. What do we have?
Might have had a pizza.
No, this is my pizza. And which game are...
I looked at Achilles. He had to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, okay, come on.
You know, still potty training, so we go outside. At this point, I'm just narcissistically trying to refresh my screen. Guttural scream. And then there was like thunder and lightning, and it got dark. It was real.
Who are these people?
I don't know if it's a fantasy community or just people on Twitter. I have no idea.
How did they know?